some kind of relief bounce here. People got to start covering. And if I'll get back into 3,200, I'm going to be getting short into 3,200. So
Order filled.
well, I got a little bit on one strike, and then I've got some sell orders sitting out too, where if we get a quick flush or whatever, I should pay. I'll pay myself.
Order filled.
Bam! Look at that. Just got paid. Nice. All right, just got paid. Still got a couple of contracts now. I like it. We're finally seeing some size here on this. I'm gonna get out these last two contracts here, man. Boom, just like that.